बस कर फोटो खींच चलो बहुत होगी फोटो चलो
Get me the mic, please. I want to say something. My patients are idiots. They don't understand English. So, Bradley, ji, I will teach you some Hindi, if you don't mind. You have to tell people that 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
इतनी हमें इंग्लिश नहीं आती जिसको हिंदी आती है जी इतनी मैं क्या करूं 1, 2, 3, 4
1, 2, 3, 4.
नहीं इनको बोलने दो डॉक्टर गुलाटी की जय जयकार
India जीतेगा.
प्लेट में जीरा है
चुप पकड़ जा अपना
प्लेट में जीरा है
Plate में जीरा है.
You have to do this. प्लेट में जीरा है
Plate में जीरा है.
डॉक्टर गुलाटी हीरा है
Doctor's got no idea. Sorry.
जीरा
Jeera.
प्लेट में जीरा है
Plate में जीरा है.
एनी वैसे
Okay.
प्लेट में जीरा है
Plate में जीरा है.
डॉक्टर गुलाटी हीरे है
Doctor, I like your lovely hair.
Thank you so much. And it is an emotional day for me. बिना कुछ आए गए इस मुकाम तक पहुंचना बहुत मुश्किल था इसके लिए मैं अपने सब उन पेशेंट्स का थैंक यू करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरी सफलता की राह में अपनी कुर्बानियां दी अच्छा डॉक्टरी जो है ना वो भरोसे की चीज है इट्स ए मैटर ऑफ फेथ इफ यू सी एक पेशेंट था सिद्धू साहब आपको तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा इस वक्त बट स्पीच आई कैन गो ओनली एक पेशेंट था मेरे को पता चला उसको गैस है तो मैंने उसको कह दिया कि तू प्रेग्नेंट अब तब से लेकर अब तक डिलीवरी की वेट कर रहा है वो मैटर ऑफ फेथ एक पेशेंट के जूते की एडी घिस गई मैंने कहा तेरी टांगों में प्रॉब्लम है पिछले 2 महीने से वो स्ट्रेचेस लेके घूम रहा है हाथ में मैटर ऑफ फेथ एक बंदे का नाम रोहन है मैंने प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए दिया सोहन अपने घर की नेम प्लेट चेंज करा दीजिए उसने ये क्या कर रहे
ब्रेड दुनिया के सबसे तेज फास्ट बॉलर्स में से एक है पाजी आपने कभी ब्रेड को फेस किया है
अरे मैंने बहुत देखा है बहुत कमेंट्री किया है
पर
ये
आपका आपस में मैच नहीं हुआ ना
नहीं ये सुल्तान ऑफ स्विंग ये मुझे किंग कहता है ना ये सुल्तान ऑफ स्विंग था 2 ही बॉलर मैंने दुनिया में ऐसे देखे हैं जो 140 पे गेंद को लहराते थे तराते थे और केले की तरह घुमाते थे
140 किलोमीटर पर आवर
मैल्कम मार्शल और ब्रेट ली
क्या बात है
ब्रिलियंट आउटस्टैंडिंग उस पेस के ऊपर
ब्रेड व्हाइल बैटिंग were you scared of any bowler
Everyone.
everyone Why?
Even spinners. No, well, you imagine, and I actually worked out that probably the last 3 years of my life as a cricketer, that when I open my eyes batting, it's easier. Because normally I was like... But when I watch the ball and I look at the ball, it's easier. But I played against Pakistan and Shoaib Akhtar. Yeah. And me and him get on very well, and my nickname's Binger. So I'm out batting, and I've taken my centre mark, and I'm up there, and I'm sweating, I'm nervous, and I'm like, and I hear Binger, Binger. I'm thinking, and there's Shoaib at about 75 metres back. He's looking at me, he's going, I'm gonna kill you. I'm like, okay, great. So I'm tapping, he's running in, the black hair is flying in the wind, he's steaming in, right? Gets to here. I watch the ball and it's gone boom, it's hit me straight on the foot. I've appealed to the umpire. How's that? That's got to be out, surely. And you know what? Do you know what happened?
Yeah, what?
That silly Australian umpire said not out.
Not out.
Like, great.
You know, I will tell you a secret of Shoaib. Sometimes he don't throw the ball. Sometimes he's doing like this, and he put his ball inside his pajama and do like this. There is no ball. I mean, there is a ball, but there is no ball. I mean, ball is in his pants and there is no ball in front. ओए होए।
That's very
अच्छा, मुझे
good.
बड़ा शौक है इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट को इनवाइट करने का, बाद में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। Tell me one thing, Brad. When players plays in field, they say so many things to each other with full respect. वैसे तो माँ बहन करते हैं एक दूसरे की, एक दूसरे को गालियाँ देते हैं. I mean to say sledging. So instead of bowling, batting, fielding, is there any special coach for Australian player for sledging?
There could be.
Or is there, or it's their own creativity of players?
Sledging does happen, and I think it's important for the game that there is that, you know, the energy on the field. You don't obviously cross that line. You don't racially vilify someone. You don't swear too much. But sledging's good.
Sledging is good. Okay.
So,
Talia.
for example, when I was batting against India, the first word I ever heard them say to me was, they call me Karagosh. And
You know what is Khargosh?
well, my
It's a very cute, it's a rabbit.
I know it's a rabbit. So I went back and my Indian friend in Sydney and I said, what's a Karagosh? And he goes,
Who
"Oh,
said?
I asked my Indian friend.
Okay.
He goes, that's a bunny, it's a rabbit. They're saying you're hopeless at batting. I was like, right. So I said, teach me a word for when they say it next time, which I won't repeat on this program. But I said, when they called me a Karagosh, I turned around, I said something, and they just burst out laughing.
किसने कहा था वैसे? ये नहीं
No,
पता.
but say it, we'll cut it. Don't worry.
Say it.
No.
So actually, which team is more into sledging? Indian team, Pakistan team, England team, or your own team from Australia or South African or West Indies?
Probably Ireland.
Ireland?
Just something. That's one team that you just didn't mention, so I thought I'd just say Ireland. Australia are very good. India are becoming a lot better.
अच्छा, मतलब हम लोग ज़्यादा करते हैं
बेहतर हो रहे हैं
sledging में.
इंडिया वाले बेहतर हो रहे
So we are getting better in sledging.
Yeah, but you know what? India's playing such good cricket now. I mean, Virat Kohli. I mean, how good's Virat Kohli? When you have got somebody who bats as good as Virat Kohli, you don't need a sledge.
क्या बात है? अच्छा, tell me, Brett, one thing. Yeah, please. Tea.
Yeah.
Is it masala tea? Okay.
Thank you, Dost. Shukriya. Wow, that's hot.
Brett, you were a cricketer. You are an actor now. You have a bookshop or not?
Sort of a bookshop, coffee shop, but that's no longer.
You have a coffee shop.
Used
I
to.
heard that you have a dress shop also.
No dress shop.
No, it's a wrong information collected by my team.
It's the wrong
I
information.
apologize from the depth of my heart.
Maybe me and you and your grandmother.
Me and my grandmother.
Yeah.
साथ में
She's a cheater. You can't trust her. She even cheated her husband.
Really?
Yeah.
We were talking backstage.
She was the same.
She's a Sundar Ladaki.
No. You are, Brett, see, you are our guest. I don't want to cheat on you. Don't go with her looks.
Really?
If you will, झाड़ने क्या कहते हैं?
I get the visual, I get it.
कि झाड़ने को क्या कहते हैं भाजी?
जानने में जानना कहते हैं और क्या कहते हैं
I think you should.
If you will shuffle her,
You shouldn't shuffle
the girls
her.
will come out in parts. And the boy will, I mean,
No shuffling.
She is my grandmother, but
Respect.
by nature, she's he. But he's playing she. But Brett, you know, I'm meeting you first time, but I'm impressed by your sense of humor.
Thank you.
Brett, you have played Holi in your movie, right? Mm-hmm. Have you heard about this festival before?
Of course. In the movie, though, because of my Indian-Australian friend, he says we're going to a Holi festival. But I thought it was holy with a Y.
Wine.
Why?
Holi, why?
Holy, like holy.
Holy,
Holi
okay.
matlab?
That is another Holi.
I understand that now. but
Holi, this is Holi.
holy with an I.
हाँ
Yeah.
वो उसमें वाई
I.
लगता है इसमें आई लगता है
Yeah, Y and I, there's a lot of difference between Y and I because I will tell you why.
Why?
Why?
I?
Keep your eye.
Okay, right.
In India, when we play Holi,
Why?
yeah, I will tell you why. In India, when we play Holi, we play with our babis in villages. Babi mean to say sister-in-law.
Right.
And some chichora kind of people. क्या बोलते हैं इनको?
राउडीज
Rowdy guys.
Rowdy, okay.
Yeah, they make a bahana क्या बोलते हैं? They make excuse to touch cheeks. Holi hai. And they enjoy himself.